We're gonna go ahead and charge this EV Equinox, 2026 EV Equinox. We're gonna use the Tesla Supercharger using this adapter here. Again, this is a heavy duty, it's a max 500A to 1000V. It's stated it can charge in 10 minutes and charge up to 100 miles. So let's open it. Look at this. You can see there's some PDF files. Nice. It even came with a case. The case with a little handle here. Very nice. And here's the charger. It's a Yo-Mile brand. And you can see here, this side goes into your Equinox EV, and this side is the NACS here. Of course, this is the CCS1 side, okay? The things feel very heavy duty, you can see here. It's made out of metal. Of course, it needs to, because you're messing with over, level 3, a lot of heat here. So let's try it, plug in it. But first thing you want to do is, so you want to make sure you have the Tesla app, and then here, once you park, you're gonna have to select what station it is, and then once you set everything up, you set your credit card, your payment, everything, then you can select your station and you just plug in it and then start charging everything, okay? Another thing about using a Tesla charger guide, level 3 Tesla charger is, or supercharger is, your vehicle, since it's not a Tesla, it's a little bit more difficult. So make sure you park the far right, like I did here. You can see there's no other charger on this side because this vehicle charges on the left. Earlier I had a Ford, somebody was using it. They were doing the same thing, but they had to pull all the way up front just to fit their charger, fit this adapter into their vehicle. So let's go out there, guys, and we're gonna go ahead and test this out here. Let me grab your phone. Okay, here, hopefully, I don't think it's gonna reach. No, but. So we're gonna go ahead and take this adapter, guys, here. And the NACS goes on this side, see it plug in. And then take this here. Let's see here. See if the app 1A. You select 1A. Get started. Choose payment method. Okay, we hit the start charge and there it goes. Attach adapter and plug in. And this light's charging, so there it goes. You hear it beeping. So here you can see it's actually doing a fast charge. Let me turn it off here. So nice thing about it. So you can see how it's gaining. It's saying it's gaining miles. But here you can see it's actually charging really quick. We're gaining, it's going 412 miles an hour, 410 miles an hour gaining. And here is the app. You can see the app is showing the progress. We're at 24%. Again, it's saying that you can, in 10 minutes, you can gain 100 miles. So we're gonna give about 10 minutes here. It's 12, we start about 12:48. And as you're charging here, the charging fee actually jumps up too. So everything is in live. Everything's live. Like you see how that just jumped the price. And we've been charging about 2 minutes. So we're at 26. And another tip, guys, fast charging is actually not too good for your battery. So I don't recommend doing this when you have to, like if you're traveling far distance. We're at 237. And I'm going to show you how we parked this vehicle because of the way it's too low. You just got to be careful. It's too low that I wasn't able to pull it in there. You can hear the fan in there. But yeah, you see I had to park for a lot of Tesla. You know, make sure when you do charge, there's not a lot of Tesla chargers or cars charging using this. And they have actually fast chargers down there too, where you don't need an adapter. But we bought one just in case when we travel and we need it. Okay, so how do you turn this off? Well, we're just testing this out.
Stop charging.
So it works, and you see it $3.30. And another thing, guys, is you can actually, it's cheaper to charge in the evening, like before, what time was it?
Before 8 a.m.
Before 8 a.m. So you get it.
After 11 p.m.
Yeah, so you're getting like half the price, the discount. You're doing it before 11 a.m. But yeah, here it works. So I just want to show you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. We're gonna stop charging here because we're just testing it out. So thanks for watching, guys.